The viticulture program is part of the greater agriculture program for Santa Rosa City Schools. There are ag programs at Santa Rosa High School and at L.T. Allen High School currently. There have been ag programs at Piner and at Maria Carrillo High School. The program was started in about 2000. It was an offshoot of the Santa Rosa High School ag program, and it was to offer students more variety and options in taking career path choices, as is one of the goals for the Santa Rosa City School Boards. The thing that makes the program, the viticulture program, slightly different from the others is that right now in Santa Rosa we're very fortunate that Santa Rosa City Schools has this property to allow us to put a vineyard on. We have a fairly large vineyard with 5 or 6 acres here, and that's a good size little vineyard for students to work in. I think it offers them the opportunity to work in an area where we're not worried about making the crop or destroying a crop for somebody else's vineyard. If we went out to a vineyard, when you're training students, they're not always perfect, and we're trying to teach them how to do this. But it's a student vineyard. Students can actually learn all the operations from pruning to spraying to whatever else it takes. Installing the trellis works here as the students have done. We have a career path option, and our career path option would be 2 years of viticulture and 1 or 2 years of supporting classes like ag science, plant science, or biology. Hopefully that would lead to career positions in the industry. Viticulture is one of the largest producers of income to our county today, and it's far outpasses the viticulture and wine industry, far outpasses the dairy industry, the cattle industry, the sheep industry, and prunes are long gone that used to be here before viticulture is this major crop. So it's a major component of our agriculture in Sonoma County. Primary aspects of this particular program is it's not just a Santa Rosa City School farm. This is a community partnership. We work with Kendall Jackson, Barbara Banky and Jess Jackson have been very gracious in helping support this vineyard. Local grape growers have also been very generous in supporting this. The North Coast grape growers, Russian River Valley grape growers, Sonoma County grape growers have all played a part in helping this vineyard get established and start to grow. The vineyard here has been largely sponsored by the community, and that allows us to have resources here working with students that are here so that they can progress. Some of these large winery and vineyard operations would actually hire students.
Other students might not be sure what they want to do, so they'll try several different classes. We did projects in this class, like we interviewed wineries and winemakers and vineyard managers, and that was my favorite class essay or project.
It's brought the community and students together.
You know, I'm going to go to the JC for 2 years, and then go to Davis for another 2 years because it has the best viticulture program, and then I plan to be a vineyard manager.
I would like to see this vineyard continue to prosper, and I would like to see it become a not only continue as a community partnership as it has done, but also as a co-op vineyard for students. I'll give you an example. Right now, if a student raises an animal and he takes it to the fair and he sells the animal, he'll make a few dollars on that animal. I would like to see this vineyard work somewhat in the same way, where maybe 4 or 5 students could take a small section, or more students, however many are necessary, could take a small section of this vineyard, actually do all the work on the vineyard and sell the grapes and derive a profit from it, the students themselves, so they can really see what agriculture is about, what entrepreneurship is about, and how you know, making decisions for yourself can be profitable, or in some cases not so profitable.